Attachment theory, past and present.
Harry Harlow and the Monkey Love Experience took place in 1958, and Harlow's experiment was arguably the first experiment on attachment. Studying rhesus monkeys, Harlow wanted to know the basis of the bond to their mothers. Was it based on nutrition, protection, comfort, socialization? Harlow's experiment showed that emotional care was more important than physical care and attachment.
Let me show you a monkey raised on a nursing wire mother. Now here are 106's two mothers. As you can see, it was weaned on a wire mother. Here's baby 106. Watch. He's going to the wire mother. He's got to eat to live. Oh, he's going back. He's back on the cloth mother, and he'll stay on the cloth mother. Actually, this baby spends 17 to 18 hours a day on the cloth mother, and less than 1 hour a day on the wire mother. We had predicted that the variable of contact comfort would be a variable of measurable importance, but we were unprepared to find that it completely overwhelmed and overshadowed all other variables, including those of nursing.
Harlow's experiments were criticized for their ethical problems. People felt that these experiments were unethically cruel. With that said, Harlow's experiments were the basis for Bowlby's groundbreaking work on attachment.
Our program at the Center for Babies, Toddlers, and Families is really based on the theories of John Bowlby, with the idea that we really need to help parents and children form a secure attachment. So oftentimes, families are referred to us when the parents have had very difficult childhoods themselves and are really struggling in this role of being a parent.
Like I said, I never had a mommy. I was never taught how to take care of anybody or myself. So it was like very hard. Like I wouldn't have patience, like the crying, like I would, scream at her and stuff like that. And
For many parents who really were neglected as children, hearing a baby cry triggers in them their own feelings of that unrelenting crying that they did. So for Pearl, it was very, very difficult for her to be able to meet her child's needs.
push this button. Yeah, hard, push it.
We've partnered with the Center for Attachment Research at the new school for a series of attachment measures to test that our intervention is effective.
Treating disorganized attachment and the group attachment based intervention, or GABI. Using the work of Ainsworth, Anne Murphy and colleagues are trying to end the cycle of disorganized attachment by teaching and aiding parents in forming secure bonds with their children. GABI is offered 3 times a week, 2 times a day to impoverished and at-risk parents. GABI provides social support from other parents, time with children in a therapeutic and safe environment, emotional support, and poverty assistance. Here we've attached a link where you can find out what your attachment style is.
And for additional resources on Anne Murphy's GABI program, you can look into the New School's Center for Attachment Research.